Okay, we've got all of our parts cleaned, got them out. Something that I like to do, you need to blow your passages out with air. Absolutely. But what I like to do is all these little passages, in fact all the whole assembly, everything, I like to spray down with brake fluid after it comes out of the carburetor cleaner. And all these little holes and these little passages, I like to spray carburetor cleaner down in there and get them cleaned out. So we got all of our parts cleaned up, everything's ready to go. I think I need to put do a little scraping still on that for the gasket, but other than that, we're ready to go. So let's put her back together. Alright, we got our rebuild kit. There's the part number for it. I think I got this from Steiner. It appears to be the right one. That says you break this seal, you bought it. We just bought it. Let's start with the bottom. I found that a lot of times it's better, or most of the time, I say a lot of times, it's better to put together from a section at a time rather than try to just start throwing it all together. Let me find I think that's my gasket for that one. Yeah, that's my gasket for there. This is our discharge nozzle. No, it's not. Where does she go? Well, we're gonna have to do some looking around here. Oh yeah, that's it, because it's got to go. That is it. Then you have your this right here, and I'm replacing all these gaskets. This is your nozzle, your discharge nozzle. You hold that in. And this actually screws into your nozzle inside the bowl. As you can see, there's your nozzle inside that. Barely just tighten that down. Okay, there's that. Then we have this little guy right here. You be very careful with him. He's kind of touchy. That's your idle jet. And I've got one screwdriver here that fits that. only one. There it is. You just want to be careful with this stuff, because sadly some of these parts you cannot find anymore, or you can find them but they're just not real available. There you have it, folks. We got a few odds and ends we got to do, but gaskets, put the gaskets on, and then this is our, we'll have to line this back up for our governor, for our choke, or for our throttle. It runs off a governor. I don't know if you can see that little, there's a groove that fits in there, but we'll get all that when we get it back on the tractor. So there we got it. We got everything put back together. Let's go get it on the tractor.